One second.
One second.
Wait.
Yep, it's Old Verzet. It's written in English.
Verzet, hè?
Okay, wait,
Verzet?
turn it around and
Huh?
get the pronunciation from him.
Verzet.
Verzet.
Out Bruin.
Verzet. Oud Bruin.
Out Bruin. It's called. I've always called it the nude Bruin, but it's Out Bruin. Out Bruin. Okay, so this is the Out Bruin oak leaf.
No, say it
So
properly.
Out Bruin oak leaf. Oud Bruin.
Oud
Out Bruin. Out Bruin.
Brown.
It's an out Bruin oak leaf. Yeah, I'm drunk. No, I'm actually not, sadly. Okay, so what they've done, it's 6% alcohol, and what they've done is taken an Oud Bruin that's been in oak barrels for a year, and then they've picked fresh oak leaves from trees near the brewery, for oak trees. This is harvest 2018, and they put the leaves in there as well for several weeks, and it adds a bit of an astringency and more oak character to the beer. It's brown, just like an Oud Bruin should be. Ooh. It almost smells like there's raspberry in there. That's interesting. It doesn't mention anything about raspberries. I was expecting an Oud Bruin to be something like a Flemish red, like Rodenbach.
He's shaking his
Oh,
head.
yeah. It smells like raspberries, and there's a. It mentions astringency. I'm not getting much astringency. Not getting much oak. It smells like chocolate and raspberries.
It's like a fruit beer.
Okay, I'm getting a lot more acidity in the beer, and there's a real green grassiness that you associate with oak leaves. I'm not getting much barrel character out of it. Definitely getting a raspberry character, but then there's this like real green grassiness that if you've ever grown up near oak trees, you get like when you step on the leaves, there's that smell. I'm getting that in the taste. It's like almost a grassy, I don't know, sweet malt up front, medium full body. There is a good level of acidity through the back that helps dry it out. Feel it long on the palate there. But yeah, this is bloody interesting. This is sensational, actually. This is really, really interesting. Try that one. So, Verzetta? Is that how you pronounce it?
Verzet.
Verzet. The
Turn
Oud
the
Bruin.
camera over and let him
Oh, sorry.
actually say it.
Het verzet.
Het Verzet. Thank you. Yeah, I just butchered that too, but yeah, this is a bloody spectacular beer. It's like way better than I was expecting. At least, I think it's a cracker. Thanks, Jan. Thanks for sharing.